Hello, guys. Please tell me, can you hear me? Can you see me? And we will start. Mhm. Yes, it looks like everything works perfectly. I'm glad to see you here. We just continue our weekly streams. This time I will make it by myself, and we will talk about market situation, and I will reply the questions which you send me in the Discord channel and below the posts which I published today on TradingView. Also, during this stream, if you have any question, just write them in chat, and I will be glad to provide you my ideas, replies, just after replying the previous questions. Thank you very much that you decided to spend this estimated 1 hour with me. I hope it will be interesting. So I would like to start with the question below the post. First of all, probably from this week, I will make such posts on TradingView, like Ask Me Anything, where I will collect questions for the stream. I published these posts today, but I guess I need to do it maybe before the stream for 1-2 days, in order you could have more time for leaving your questions. But you should know that probably from the next Monday I will write a new post, and I will collect your questions for the next webinar. So I would like to start with, let's start from the bottom. The question is, why regular or over log scale? I guess the question is about why I use just standard scale, but not log scale as some traders prefer. The reply is very simple. For me, it doesn't matter the type of scale. I don't try to find any combinations of indicators, or any combinations or any parameters of indicators, just in order to get support of my idea. If market gives any signal, you can find this signal easily. If you can't find signal easily, but you need to change your type of chart, or you need to change your settings, it means that probably this signal is not so solid, and it's better to skip it. That's all. I use standard type of scales for charts, and believe me, during 10 years I didn't have any problems. So if you want to use standard type of charts, you can use them. If you want to switch on log scale, it's your choice. It's simple. The next question uh, was about my 5 favorite indicators and how to successfully use them in trading. I remember I replied on this question before, but it was about 3 favorite indicators. I want to say I can enlarge it up to 5 indicators. And of course, in this list, there will be indicators like moving averages. It is a trend indicator. I use it for. I use this indicator for getting ideas about what type of trend we have now. Bullish, bearish. I use this indicator like support and resistance lines. So if you are lazy, if you don't want to draw lines just using standard technical tools, for you, moving averages with different periods, it can be like a good way out. They will draw support and resistance lines automatically all the time. And for you, you will need to pick the type of moving averages and the period. That's simple. Another indicators, let's say oscillators, I like RSI and I like stochastic. I use these two indicators for confirmation reversals from support levels, resistance levels, from supports and resistance lines. I use these indicators for confirmation reversals from indicators line, like moving averages. And in combination with moving averages, it's very simple to build a good trading strategy. Also, stochastic and RSI are good for spotting, let's say, overbought and oversold market conditions. When market dropped during some time, there will be a period when we can see that market is oversold, and the same goes about the upward movement. If we see a strong upward movement and falls during some time, probably the overbought market conditions will be reached soon. And RSI with stochastic allow to get this information from market and close trades, exit from trades, or open new trades. It was the second and the third type of indicators. The fourth indicator, I like to use Bollinger Bands. This indicator is also rather interesting. We can see it can be used in several ways. First of all, it measures volatility. If let's say lines of Bollinger Bands are close to each other or moving closer to each other, it means that we have lower volatility, and it can be used for searching or for using range trading strategies for trading, or after low volatility period, we can use breakout strategies for catching breakouts volatility and starting a new trend, because markets moves like low volatility period is changed by high volatility period, and high volatility period is changed by low volatility period. So combining different strategies for trading, like range market strategies for trading, like breakout strategies for trading, you can get benefits from different market conditions. And another way of using Bollinger Bands, you can use it like you can use these lines, upper and bottom line, for as your profit targets. If you open, let's say, a position from the medium line of this indicator, the upper line will be a good profit target for buy position, and the lower line will be good for as profit target for short positions. And I would like to say that the fifth indicator is my favorite is DMI. In some trading platforms you can find it like ADX indicator. The idea of this indicator is to show you also market conditions. We have a signal line which is ADX line. If this line is below just 20 or 25, in different books you can find different trend signal levels. We have range market conditions. If ADX line moves upward and it is above 20 or 25 level, we have trend market conditions. It's very important to understand in which market conditions you trade now, because there are, let's say, we can say there are two market conditions, like range and trend. So when you have range market conditions, probably you will, let's say without probably, you will get a lot of false signals if you start using trend following trading strategies. And the same goes about trend market conditions. If you use range market conditions, trying to buy at bottom and sell on top when market moves sideways, during trend market conditions, you will be able also to have a lot of false signals and not many profitable trades. That's why it's very important. If you use only trend following trading strategies, for you it's very important to use them in proper market conditions. For trend following strategies, the proper market conditions are trend market conditions. If you use range strategies and if you use them in range market conditions, you will be able to get good profit. But when market conditions will be changed, you should stop using the range market conditions. DMI allows to understand better that we have range or trend and follow this and use the right trading strategies for trading. I would like to say that I have one more indicator, but which is, I should say, one of the best one. From my point of view, it is one of the best one. And if there will be a question, what is it? I will reply you later, because now I reached five. I told you about 5 favorite indicators which I use. Also, if you follow me in TradingView, you can see that I use these indicators all the time, just in different combinations. Probably you won't see stochastic, but just stochastic and RSI, sometimes we can use it together, sometimes we can pick just one of them. I use RSI, but it doesn't mean that stochastic is not so good. I just pick RSI, nothing more. And one more thing I would like to add, that there are no just the best indicator. There are good indicators, and the main thing is how you use them. If you use them in wrong way, you won't be successful with even one of the best indicators. So, but if you know how to read the signals from indicators, if you use them, it's very important. If you use them in proper market conditions, you will get good signals and reliable signals. So the next question. What do with your portfolio while BTC is moving? Namely, what do you do with your alts as it goes up, and when do you buy alts during bleeding? Thanks in advance. I should say now I prefer to trade only with Bitcoin, because I don't care just super profits which can be done on shitcoins, altcoins. I don't want to risk. The previous year showed us that markets can drop on 90%, 95%, some of them. So it's better to think about how it's better to think about the risk level first of all. Just it's my opinion. It doesn't mean that my way of trading is the best. It's just one of possible. I have different markets for trading, not only crypto. I developed my trading robots for forex trading, and I do the best for moving all my forex trading into and passed my forex trading to the robots. I want to start stock trading as soon as I have time for building the right strategies and the right trading plan. Now I use crypto just mainly for investing in the long run, and in order to cut risk down, I must invest in the most solid markets, and the most solid market is Bitcoin. So I hope I replied on this question. The next one is Bitcoin's next move in 2 weeks. Any predictions? If I tell you that Bitcoin will move like this or like that during 2 weeks, of course I can be right or I can be wrong. I don't have targets, for example, to predict markets how they where the price will be in 2 weeks, for example. For what? Even it will be possible to do this using some technical tools or fundamental analysis. There are no reasons for having such goals and targets. I prefer to follow the market, and that's all. So not to predict, but just get signals from market, from indicators, and follow these signals and follow the market. If the market moves upward, it's simple. I want to buy. If the market falls, it's also simple. It's better to sell. From this point of view, so any predictions can be useless because there are many factors which can change the plan, and the market will move in other direction easily. If we talk about just say a period like 2 weeks, I want to say that probably we will see during this week the correction movement, because during let's say maybe this month and the part of the previous month, the market gave us time by time signals confirming a possible correction. So any strong market movements mainly must be corrected. It's just how markets move. So we got a strong upward movement. Let's say it was from the beginning of March. Market after correction, market continued upward movement, and we didn't have strong corrections, deep corrections, especially after this strong bullish candle. Market must be corrected. So I think these 2 weeks will tell us how this correction will be done. It can be like opposite price movement, or it can be like sideways movements. In both cases, we will have correction. I don't believe that price will break 6,000 and move higher without this correction, because for breaking a solid resistance level, there must be solid reasons. And I don't see solid fundamental reasons on news which could support this breakout and the upward movement. So from this point of view, it's better to expect that there will be correction, and how long it will be, it's just another question. But correction will be good for getting new trading opportunities from let's say from support zones, like this uptrend line, like the support zone from between 4,200 and 4,000. It is the previous resistance zone. Now it will act like the support zone. Or if price breaks this this local uptrend line, the next combination of support zone will be with this support zone based on levels and the main uptrend line from this zone. So in long run, Bitcoin is going to move upward. In medium term, I would like to expect something like correction and fall into 5,000 below of 5,000, something like this. The next question is, what is your target position size for each trade? What's the most beneficial time frame that provides the most information in your opinion? If we talk about position size for margin trading, I don't want to risk more than 2% from trading capital. If we talk about trading without margin, without leverage, let's say crypto trading, the same goes about stock trading. When you don't use leverage, it's possible to have risk. For me, it's possible to risk up to 15% for one trade. It's possible to, maybe for someone who prefer to use aggressive type of trading, for leverage trading, it will be possible to increase the risk per trade up to 5%. And for trading without leverage, maybe it will be okay to use risk for one trade up to 30%, but not more. The thing is, different traders and different people have different, let's say, different understanding of risk level. For someone, 2% as a risk per trade can be a lot, and I can understand. I told you my maximum levels for risk, which sometimes I can use. But mainly I would like not to risk, and mainly I can say that my style is more conservative than aggressive. Who prefer use aggressive style in money management? First of all, they must understand that more risk per trade, more chances to blow up any size of capital. So if for someone it's okay to take such risk, it's not a problem. I prefer to focus mainly on risk management. I must be sure that the capital is protected, and it's just the main target in trading, to protect my capital. The second target is to make profit, and the third target is to make maybe big profit. When we talk about trading and how beginner traders start, they start thinking about super profits, and it is one of the reasons why beginner traders lose their money, because they don't put the right targets and try to make a lot of money first of all. But this strategy is not workable in the long run, in the medium run, and sometimes in short run. The next question is about what is your the previous one. What time frame provides the most information? When we talk about how to make analysis, of course it's better to look at the daily charts. Even if you are a day trader, and if you use minute charts, if you use hour charts, for you the main indicator, the main time frame must be the daily, because the daily charts give you information about market conditions, which will give you some influence during your intraday trading. The daily chart will give you important levels which you can follow, and which you can use for opening position, which you can use for closing position. Uh, you can get the direction of market movement from the daily chart. So if you start making an analysis for day trading, you should start from the daily time frame. If we talk about long-term trading, let's say if you are just an investor with targets to hold any financial instrument for months or probably years, of course, for you, daily chart won't be so good because you must have the bigger picture, and the bigger picture will come from the higher time frames. If you are a long-term investor, probably you should start from 1 month time frame and use the daily for opening position, something like this. So for me, the main time frame is daily. The next question: what is your favorite time graphic? I guess I replied from the previous one. Do you use the same time frame with crypto stocks or different? And this part I will reply. For me, it doesn't matter which markets we use, just mainly because all technical analysis tools and indicators, they are workable with different types of markets, and it's not a problem. As I told you before, I prefer to invest. I prefer to invest in crypto using long-term strategies, and I use the daily time frame for opening positions. But time by time, I'm looking at the weekly, and several times I look at monthly charts. But again, with crypto, it's very simple. It's very simple because market reached the bottom. We got bouncing from the bottom. We got confirmation that the bearish trend was reversed. And from this point of view, if you are a long-term investor, just it's very simple to buy. So if you think that you need more information, or you would like to build maybe more complicated portfolio or trading or use different trading strategies, you will need to focus on different time frames. But as for the crypto markets, for me, daily and high time frames are good. I don't have time for trading on lower time frames for crypto because I have a lot of other work, and I would like, if we talk about manual trading, I would like to focus on stock trading because stock markets provide more trading opportunities than crypto. And if we had a good crypto year like 2017 and not good year for crypto 2018, stock markets are stable and provide good trading opportunities all the time during the all years. The next question, let's say about BNB, I will return to it later because there are some more questions about EOS and Ripple, so I will combine them together. As for other questions from just what do you do with your trading profit? I time by time, but not very often. I can get just the part of profit. Mainly, I prefer reinvest the profit just in order to grow my capital. That's all. But again, just it's also depend on you. If you don't need money, if you don't use this profit for buying food or paying bills, you can reinvest this money in further trading. You will grow your capital faster, and in some time you will be able to get maybe just a part of your profit and leave another part for further growing, and this small part will be enough for you just to cover all your fears. As for As for another type of trading, when you need to get money for living, it's just another type of question, because you need a big capital in order to get all profit, and maybe the biggest part of profit, and leave some part for reinvesting. But if you would like to get money for living from trading, you really must have big capital and get, let's say, mainly the whole profit. The next question is, where do you invest for the long run? More than 10 years. For more than 10 years, I'm not Warren Buffett, and I don't like such type of strategies for investing more than 10 years. So I can invest, let's say, maybe several years. It is my maximum level, and it is crypto and Bitcoin. The next question is about the most important question. How many Lambers do you have? I have 0 Lambers, and I don't have such goal to buy Lamborghini. Yes, even I have such opportunity. I'm not interested in Lamborghinis. I'm not interested in supercar. I don't have such goal to make money in order to buy a lot of expensive things. For me, just much more important to have opportunity to do what I want to do, just to be freedom, and trading in the financial markets allows you to get such freedom and do what you want to do. That's simple. Of course, if you want to buy a supercar, and if you have such opportunity, why not? And one more question from TradingView. It was just say the old question from the previous post, and I promised to reply it. You said in your final sentence, buy based on reversal signals. So you are never using buy orders. Because if, for instance, I want to buy on the 4000 and 4200 region, should I place my buy order at 4300 or set alerts at 4300 and wait for the right signal to buy? If I need to wait for the right signal, I am scared I will miss this train. The question is about how to open trades, how not to miss trades, and what type of orders we can use. I need just to explain you that there are at least several variants how to trade. You can use, if you have time, you can monitor your charts, markets, get signals from markets, and open position. Just you have signal and you open it using market prices, and it's simple. If you don't have such opportunity to stay in front of computer all the day and all the nights, you can use pending orders. Pending orders, there are several types of pending orders. Some of them allows you to enter the market when price breaks some level. Let's say it is stop type of orders. For example, we can place buy stop order about this high when price was like in this place or in this place, and if market moves above this level, buy stop order will be activated, and you will have buy trade based on a breakout signal. So you don't need to wait when price breaks this level. So you placed pending order, and that's all. The same goes about sell stop order, just the direction will be another. So stop orders must be placed above or below the current price in order to activate them. There are also limit orders, limit type of orders, which means, for example, price is at this level, at 4,200, and you would like to buy, let's say, Bitcoin not at this level, because for you it is rather high, based on the correction. Possible correction can be up to, we have this swing low, it means price saw something like a level and bounced here, price bounced one more time, so we have a level about 3,750. As a variant, in order not to wait when price drops and reverses from a possible support level, you can place a buy limit order, and it will be below the current price. But if price drops and reach this level, your trade will be activated, your buy trade will be activated, and you will be in the market with the right position. You didn't spend time for watching for the market, so it's a rather interesting model. But what if price drops below this level? What if price won't reach this level? It means you will skip this trading opportunity. Sometimes it's good to use. If you build your strategy based on limit types of orders or based on stop types of orders, it's okay, just one of possible variants. But be ready when we talk about limit orders, especially. Be ready that sometimes you will have additional signals, additional losses, or sometimes you will skip profitable trades. If it's okay for you, just use it. There are no problems. I told you before that I prefer to follow the market. What does it mean? For me, it means I can't use limit types of orders, because it means I will need to predict that price will reach this level, or if we talk about, let's say, the current market conditions, if we use sell limit order, I want to sell it from resistance. 6,000 is a good resistance. Okay, I put it not at 6,000 level, let's say 5,900 level. I put sell limit order. So it will be activated only if price will reach this level, bounce, and in such way, yes, this order will be activated, and I will have a short position. But again, price probably will start reversing and will move down from the current levels. So with limit type of orders, I won't be able to open probably a profitable trade. But again, also a price can break this resistance and moves higher for some time, and I will close this trade with buy stop loss. So it's also it's not a good idea. I prefer to see if market reverses and I have reversal signals, I just open a trade using I use stop orders as additional confirmation that the price moves in my direction. Yes, sometimes the entry level is not so good like with another type of trading, but at least I get additional signal and I follow the market. For me, following the market, it is just like a good idea. That's why you can also think about what type of orders it will be comfortable for you to use. If you want to follow the market, of course, it's better to wait for signals and use, for example, breakout signals breakout signals and stop type of orders for entering the market. You can use alerts. Alerts are, for example, if we talk about shorting from 6,000 level, we can put alerts at 5,900. If price reach it, you will get notification. You will see, if you see that the market reverses from this level, you open a trade, or you can use pending orders based on stop type. Or if price moves higher and break this level, you just place another alert and wait for new trading opportunities. I don't want to say that limit types of order are better or worse, or stop type of orders better or worse, or maybe buying from market price it's better or worse. No, every trader can pick the most suitable and the most interesting type of trading, which can match just perfectly the trading style, opportunities, ideas, and use it. So there are many tools, and there are many indicators, and there are many types of trading which can be profitable, which can give you profit, and you just need to understand what is what should you use. And for this you need knowledge and experience, and that's why we move back to the most important part of profitable trading. Not trading signals you must try to get, but you must you must get knowledge and experience, because only they will allow you to find the most suitable tools for your trading. They will allow you to make your money management strategy properly based on your needs. You will know what to do in different market conditions. So knowledge and experience and other tools, they are the parts of profitable trading. So I replied all questions from the posts, and there was just there were questions about to my mind BNB. Yes, BNB forecast. I made a post about it also during this week. Again, the market made a really good upward movement, and and it starts it bounced from 25, let's say 25 24 level, because it was the level of the previous all-time high, and when price reached this level, we could expect that probably we will see a correction movement. So we see now that price bounced and start falling for 1, 2, 3, 4 days. So possible market movements based on the current market conditions. Probably we will have a price reversal from this zone. It is formed by 20 level and this local uptrend line. Price can bounce from this and continue the upward movement, and give us the second attempt to break the resistance zone. Market, it looks like in the long run, market will continue growing. We had just a good previous upward movement. It could confirm that this coin has strong demand, and now there are no reasons which can change the long time price movement. But if we talk about medium term movements, price can bounce from 20, but if this zone won't stop and won't be so solid for the market when the price reaches. It can drop to the lower zone and also give us a reversal and continuation of the uptrend. This zone will be, I would like to say it will be 17 level, but probably we should add also 14 level. It will be something like 50% of correction based on Fibonacci. We have this support level, so combination of these levels give us a support zone, which also can be used like a starting point for a new upward movement. So if you are interested in BNB market, you need to watch for the price action at 20, 17 and 14 levels. Another question was from Discord, and I need to talk about EOS market and about Ripple. So you can see my previous drawings, and again I draw your attention, like with the BNB we had a local, and like with Bitcoin, let's say we have local uptrend lines and we have main trend lines. You can see that sometimes just, let's say, local trend lines, they can be not so strong, and the market can break them easily. We had the same situation with EOS, and after reaching 6 level, price bounced again. Why price bounced? Because we had a good upward movement, so the market is in bullish trend. In bullish trend, prices moves up and down, just upward movement. Mainly they are longer than downward movements or correction movements. So sometimes correction can be like sideways. Sometimes the market can move in our opposite direction. Here we have a correction which just it's not a sideways movement. Price reached 6 level, bounced, and there it's not far from let's say a good and solid support level. Why this level is important? It acts like I mean the level 4 and 50. Let's look in the past. So market bounced from this level in 2017 July. It at least, maybe it's not only about from this level, but from this zone, price moved back to this resistance zone in December of 2017. After breaking it, price made new historical high. We saw the falling in 2018, and price reached this level one more time and bounced from it. After that, the market made a new high. After the falling, price reached this level, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4 time, the fourth time, bounced from it. Then price returned to this level in the fifth time. Then price bounced, and on the sixth time price broke this level and dropped. When price reached the bottom and bounced from the bottom, continue and started the uptrend, we got a new reversal from this level, from this zone. It is the 7th reversal. Then it could be the 8th reversal, but price bounce from this level one more time. We had we had bullish candles, and when price reached this level, we got reversal candlestick pattern. But price didn't price bounced by but didn't develop the downward movement. We got breakout reaching 6 level, and now price returns to the same support level. Now it is support level, so it will be the ninth attempt, the ninth time when price reached this level. So I should say the level is strong, and probably it will be a new starting point for the further upward movement. But if the price breaks this level, the support level, it can be also the reversal from the main uptrend line and continuation the uptrend. It also will be logical. Again, we can just say that price may bounce from these lines and levels, but nobody can guarantee that it will be. That's why, from my point of view, and I like this type of trading, I would like to see reversal signals, that price really reverses from these levels, and only based on it open long position in the upward direction. So I hope I gave you some ideas about EOS and BNB markets. Now it's time for Ripple. Again, if we talk about possible market movements, I use the daily time frame. I don't have charts with drawings. I didn't look at this. I didn't use this chart for many months. So after reaching, after making all-time high, we saw a huge falling, like other coins, in 2018. We can spot just possible bottom. It can be like 0.25, where price bounced in 2018 in August. There was attempt to move upward, then price dropped, made a new swing lows higher than the previous one, and we could say that the market starts the uptrend, something like this, right? But what we have now, I don't want to say that I explain. After this movement, after let's say after this pattern, that we can think about, yes, probably the market starts a new uptrend, because price bounced, we got a new swing low higher than the previous one, and blah blah blah. Probably the market continues the upward movement. But the further price movements told us that there are no demands and just lower swing highs with higher swing lows. They told us more about a possible triangle chart pattern, which sometimes can be reversal and sometimes can be like continuation chart patterns. We could draw something like this line and make the price movement in triangle, or it's better to use it like this one, just 1, 2, 3, 4. Price broke this triangle, tried to move upward, and now what we have? Now we have an attempt to break the main uptrend line. If you are bullish in this market, probably it's a signal to think about your position. The market can move back to 25 level easily. If the close price will be below this line, and we will see just several bearish candles, probably we should be ready to see the fall into the previous bottom, and previous bottom is at 225 level, or if this level will be broken, it can be like 20 also. I just used the previous swing lows where price bounced from these levels. And for the long run, it looks like Ripple is not the best market at all. Even it has some potential, I don't know. It's possible, of course, to use this fallen for buying in the long run, but again, investing in this market should be like a very small part of trading portfolio, and in the long run, and you should be ready to see the fallen. And if it's okay for you, okay, you can buy it. If not, sorry, maybe you need to find a better market. From Discord channel, where you also can leave questions to me for the stream, I also replied, and it's time to reply your question in the chat, from the chat. So I will follow one by one. Sorry if I need to spend some time for keeping silence. I'm searching for your questions. So if we talk about Bitcoin, I just repeat one more time that we should be ready to see correction. One more thing, why I like Bitcoin just more than other markets. Let's say Bitcoin is official coin for traditional world. We have Bitcoin futures, just as financial instrument, and financial world, traditional financial world, where there are a lot of money, and where it can be just interest to invest in some interesting markets, and crypto market where there is only Bitcoin can be like as alternative for diversification trading portfolios of big companies. Bitcoin can be like the main market for investing. If companies and traders and investors start investing money in Bitcoin, they increase demand. If they increase demand, price moves upward. So from this point of view, Bitcoin must be the first market which will start upward movement and continue the upward movement. At the same time, when let's say institutional traders, institutional companies start investing in Bitcoin, just bigger and bigger volume, Bitcoin continues the uptrend. We should be ready to see such picture, like the crypto traders will start selling their altcoins just in order to join to this movement from Bitcoin. They will start selling altcoins. Altcoins will move downward, and this money flow, which will be from altcoins to Bitcoin, just support this uptrend. From this point of view, Bitcoin looks much more solid market for investing, and yes, probably some shitcoins can give you more profit, but if we talk about stable profit and stable profit from crypto trading and crypto investing, it looks like Bitcoin is the best choice. So what I tried to reply the question. What do you think about the behavior of altcoins in the last days? Bitcoin grew and altcoins fell or stagnated. Why did it happen? It can be like what I told you, right? Just several minutes ago. It can be the reason of uh, moving money from altcoins to Bitcoin, because Bitcoin looks more solid, and for institutional traders, it is the best. It is the best market for trading and for investing. That's why think about your trading portfolio. I don't mean that you need to sell altcoins. I just advise you to think about your plans with altcoins, especially with shitcoins. Maybe it's time to rebalance your portfolio. Maybe it's time to move some part of your capital to Bitcoin, or as you wish. I don't give you financial advices. I just give you some ideas. Only you responsible for your trading results. Um, Bitcoin drops. Can you give any short or long trades for altcoins? For altcoins, long. If we talk about short-term trading, can you give us short or long trades for altcoins? First of all, I am not fan of selling crypto. Crypto is just such type of market like stock markets, where the market has more space for upward movement than for falling. From this point of view, if we talk about big profit, it's better to make from upward movements than try to catch just some downward movements. From this point of view, it's better to wait. It's better to use all fallings, or corrections, downward movements, just like additional opportunity to open a long position for short term, for medium term, um, for long term, because if you are especially novice trader, and probably you don't know what is why you need to use stop orders, stop loss orders. Let's say you decided to sell Bitcoin based on reversal signals from here. Okay, here you could make some profit. It's nice. And if you are a novice trader, mainly you use the whole capital for trading. And sometimes you also use leverage in order to get more profit and become rich faster. You opened short position here, you made a lot of money. You open short position here, you made some money. You open a short position here based on reversal signal. You got this amazing bullish candle. You used leverage. You don't use stop orders about these highs in order to close your trade automatically if market will move against you. Leverage, no stop loss, buy your capital. That's simple. It's better to wait for reversals and open the position in the direction of the main uptrend, with the following the nature of this type of markets. As for other trades, let's say long trades, I wrote in the post and I just replied the main idea. For short-term trading, crypto is not good, is not the best market, because there are many manipulators which can push market on low time frames in different directions without any reasons, and sometimes without any logic. When we talk about medium term, we have markets, different markets, which are correct in their previous upward movements, so it's better to wait. it's better to wait for reversal signals from support lines levels and open buy positions in the direction of the main trends. If we talk about long-term trading, and for you probably this falling can be used for starting building long position. You can start buying. You can start investing small part of capitals for every trade if you don't want to wait, because for some markets the current levels still are good for investing. uh, let's say if we talk about Ethereum, okay, price is not far from a strong support level. It is to 160. If you have targeted 500, why not to buy it now? Of course, not to invest all money. Just invest a part of your capital. If market will drop lower, use a lower level for investing small part of capital. If market drop lower, use small part of capital for buying, and you will have built long position. When market reversed, you will be some trades will give you good profit, some of them will give you good profit later, but you will have in the market with the solid position based on different levels, and you will be able to manage this position using different strategies also. So for short term, I'm not sure it's a good idea to trade crypto. For medium term, we are waiting for correction and reversal signals. For long term, probably you can start opening buy positions part by part. But again, it's not a financial advice. It's just my opinion how it can be done. Don't forget about your responsibility for your trading results. The next question. The next question will be. What do you think? What's the best time of the day to trade crypto? With crypto, if we talk about the best time of the day, it means you want to trade just in short run, short-term trades. And if we talk about such type of trading, you just, I don't know, you must follow probably let's say maybe just like an idea. I didn't thought about it before, and when we talk, for example, about forex trading, when we talk about stock trading, it's, let's say, it's very simple to find the best time for trading and the best time not for trading during the day. When we talk about crypto, crypto is available 24 hours, 7 days per week. I can tell you that weekends maybe are not so good because low volatility, low volume, and more opportunities to catch manipulated movement. But what about intraday? Probably the nighttime again. If we talk about nighttime, we have different time zones, and it's rather difficult to say about this market. I mean, crypto, when people are more active. I just can give you some maybe ideas. If we talk about projects or regions where this coin can be traded, we need to wait for active time of the day. So in such way, there will be more opportunities to get more price movements, high volatility, and you can use it for your trading in short term. But I can be wrong, really, because all the people from all the world are involved in trading. And it's rather difficult to say in where zones they are active, where there are big players mainly, and which markets are interesting for them. So probably it's Asia time, probably it is from Europe time. I have no idea, sorry. The next question. Are patterns less likely to break in the stock markets compared to the crypto markets? The same goes about this question. We need to have a solid statistic for just making some conclusions. Crypto is let's say it's a very small and very new market if compared with traditional markets. So when we talk about stock markets, we can be sure that different patterns are workable and they can be used. When we talk about crypto trading, I can see and I can say that such patterns like double tops, double bottoms, head and shoulders patterns, and triangles, sometimes flags, they can be used for trading. And I can support this idea that chart patterns can be used in crypto too, because behind all price movements on stock trading, in crypto trading, there are people, and market movements, charts, they show you people's behavior. So people are the same on stock and the same in crypto, just generally. Of course, with crypto we can get more unlogical movements, because let's say the level of education, the level of traders and people who are involved in trading in crypto, the level of their knowledge is less than the level of knowledge institutional traders, traders who trade in the traditional markets. And it can be like just it can give a difference if we make analysis using the long period. But just from my personal experience, I saw chart patterns which were workable, and I have no solid reasons to say that crypto is super special and unique market, and traditional technical analysis tools are not workable. So I use chart patterns, and I like how they work. The next question was, where do you buy crypto? I buy crypto on in crypto exchanges. I thought it is a good way. If you think there are other ways where to buy crypto, please share. Maybe they are better. Do you use hello Dmitry? Do you use crypto screener from TradingView? How? I explained that you can use such screeners for trading, like screeners, and TradingView provided for crypto, for stocks, and for forex. I should say, if you have a lot of, let's say, if you are a type of trader for whom just the list of markets it's not enough, and you want to follow just setups, or you want to follow patterns, or you want to follow exact market conditions, for you screener can be a good tool. At least it is one of possible tools which can be used. So you just make settings which match your ideas, your trading ideas, and using this screener you save your time and pick markets for your which match exact market conditions. So, for example, you want to trade oversold markets in order to buy them. So you put parameters in screener using, for example, indicators like RSI or stochastic, where you write that RSI and stochastic must be in their oversold zones. Screener will search such markets where RSI and stochastic are in oversold zones based on exact period of time. You can use daily chart, you can use hourly charts, and you will have a list and you use it. For crypto trading, I am not sure. I want to just to tell you about my style of trading, especially when I was active in 2017, and when I used, let's say, many markets for trading. But many markets for me, it can be few for you. I traded Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dash, Zcash, Ripple, Stellar, Monero, and maybe 5 more markets. So for me, it was okay to pass through these charts time by time and get trading signals. If you want to search for trading opportunities using thousands of markets, of course you can't do this manually. For this purpose, you use a screener. I'm going to use screener for stock trading because there are thousands of markets which can be interesting, 3,000 to 5,000 of markets, and it's impossible to find them manually interesting trading opportunities. I will share my experience how I use screeners for stock trading. But I guess there will be difference because for stock trading, screeners are, I can say, they developed by professionals. They are really cool. They are really complicated. They really can search for interesting markets based on a lot of different parameters. As for trading view, and of course you have to pay for this type of screeners, and you have to pay sometimes a lot of money per month. TradingView provides you for free. It means that probably they are not so they are not maybe so with so many features, but for simple trading ideas like overbought, oversold, or the markets which move upward, downward, you can use them. Just search for settings. Build first of all the idea what you want to use for trading, overbought, oversold market conditions, or you want to join to the price movements. So, and based on it, you just will need to pick the right parameters and make these settings for the screener. So the next question: if Bitcoin goes down, correction, altcoins will go up. It's a good question because we know how other crypto coins are correlated with Bitcoin. When Bitcoin falls, everything falls too. I saw maybe several times when Bitcoin fell and altcoins just moved sideways. Yes, I remember such behavior, but mainly Bitcoin is the main coin, and all altcoins and let's say maybe also shitcoins, the great number of them, follow this main market. The idea is very simple. If Bitcoin moves upwards, so the crypto has good news, positive news. If crypto has positive news, other markets moves upward too. When Bitcoin falls, it means that there is something wrong with crypto news, or maybe with fundamental factors, and other markets also start falling. It can be different. It can be. We can see the difference when there is a strong positive news for Bitcoin only, and there is a chance that money will be moved from altcoins to Bitcoin, just in order to take part in this positive news. And in such way we can get some different movements, like Bitcoin moves upwards, some altcoins can move lower, some altcoins can move sideways, some altcoins can move in the same direction like Bitcoin. It's sometimes it can be different, because different markets, just different players, we can have different directions, but as the main idea you can follow what I told you just above. It looks like there are no more questions. Oh, just one. How we can understand how to set in parameters in the indicators we try to use in correct way, better than the default value? I know is a complex answer. First of all, if you want to use indicator, you must at least read about this indicator. All indicators, they have description, they have idea behind, and a great number of them are provided with default settings. Default settings can be used if we talk about, let's say, old indicators, the indicators which came from traditional markets, of course, not from the developers who combine some indicators and give you now something new. No, I mean about traditional indicators like moving averages, stochastic RSI, Ichimoku, I don't know, MACD, and so on. These indicators, they were built for daily, weekly trading based on high time frames. So and their default settings mainly match these time frames, daily movements, weekly movements, and they use these periods which cover, let's say periods, big periods like weeks, months, years. When you try to use this indicator on lower time frames, you break the main idea of these settings, or these parameters. You can't match the idea that, for example, if we use 52 parameter in any indicator and it is default settings, this indicator could be developed for high time frame trading, and 52, it is 52 weeks and it is 1 year. If you move and this indicator try to get information about maybe a 1 year period or for 1 year period, when you move to hour charts or minute charts, for you this value is useless, and it won't work so good or properly. That's why if you move to lower time frames, it's better to think about maybe some optimization. I should say, for example, if we talk about moving averages as the simplest indicator, there are just say standard parameters which mainly used. They are like 20 or 21, they can be like 50, they can be like 100 periods, 200 periods. You can use them on lower time frames. They can be workable. In some cases, they can be really workable and profitable. But if we talk about all the charts, maybe you will need to optimize it. Not 20, like it's better maybe to use 24. Why 24? If you use a 1 hour chart, 24, it will match 1 day. So you will use moving average with period 24 based on 1 hour charts, and you will see the average price movement for 24 hours, 1 day. 20 or 21, it was used for the daily time frame, and it covered, let's say, about 1 month of trading. If we talk about trading based on the daily charts. The same goes about higher periods. You can use not 100, you can use 120, or optimize it if it's crypto. 120 based on 1 hour chart. And if we talk about, for example, forex or stock trading, 120 hours, it is 1 week. So we use moving average with 120 period, just in order to get information about 1 week average price. If we talk about crypto trading, probably it should be like how much it will be. It will be 164 period. So which will match 1 week for crypto, something like this. The idea is following: when you move lower, you will need to sometimes you will need to optimize the settings based on the lower periods. How to there are just some rules. So there are some rules which tell you how to find the right parameters. You can use round numbers. You can use periods. What are periods? Periods are day, periods are week, month, year. You can cut it into hours, into minutes. You can use it like in my example, 24 hours. It is 1 day period. So 24 hours, it can be used for moving averages as one of possible variants. You can use just the part of these periods. Let's say, again, based on moving averages example, we have 120 period for forex trading, and it covers 1 week based on our charts. We can use 60 period for moving average, and it will cover the half of the week. Possible. For some cases, it's possible to use Fibonacci numbers. For some cases, you can use any parameters, but you must understand that if you change parameters, you must test this indicator and trading strategy with these indicators, and on past performance and historical data. And if you get positive results and profitable results with these settings which you use and which you are going to use, you can trade. So only in such way. It's impossible to get indicator to change default settings into any other settings and start trading on real money. You will lose your money. It's very simple. All changes must be tested on the historical data, and if the results are good and profitable, you can start using them on real money, with real trading or with paper trading, just in order to be sure that you can use them properly and they really match your trading style. The next question. The next question about Marxism and communism. Sorry. Probably you think that if I'm from Russia, I support these ideas. I don't support these ideas. I think that people must live in a good world, in a freedom world, and from my point of view, Marxism and communism is it is far from my perfect world. So what I want to say, we spent 1 hour and a half. I am very grateful that you spend the time with me. I try to reply your question. I hope I could reach this goal. Don't forget that every week you have opportunity to leave questions in our Discord channel. You can find the link below this post. You can find our website link if you want to start proper training and you need knowledge and experience. Also, I need to inform that we made the first session of crypto trading course, and there will be the next session, I think, in Friday. It will be for premium members. If you want to become a premium member, the link below and more details about this course. If you don't want, it's okay. The next thing is as I told you in the beginning, I will make a new post, Ask Me Anything on TradingView, probably on Monday. So you will be able to leave your questions there too. If you like this video, please support it by your likes. If you don't like this video, please share in comments which parts must be improved. You can tell me about my English level, I know it. You can tell me about something more, maybe. It will be interesting for me to read. I try to improve this format. I'm trying to improve the video quality and everything about it. Subscribe to our channel. We are interested and we continue developing this channel and provide more videos. I'm going to start making market overviews online in stream formats, probably from the next week or maybe in 2 weeks. But the idea is we will make more and more content for our YouTube channel. So subscribe, it will be interesting. Thank you very much for spending your time here with me and taking part in this stream. Have a nice evening, have a nice week. See you next time. Bye bye.